In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see full card details on Revolut using your PC. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, I want to remind you to ensure you're using a secure and private device. Security is of utmost importance, especially when dealing with sensitive information like your card details. Now let's get started. First things first, we need to visit the Revolut website. Head to your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.revolut.com. This is where you'll log in to access your account. Once you've arrived at the home page, you'll notice a sign-in button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it to either enter your email address or phone number, along with your secure password to access your account. After successfully signing in, you'll be greeted with your Revolut dashboard. Here, you want to navigate to the section labeled Cards. Look for a tab or an icon that mentions Cards and click or tap on it. This is where all your active and past Revolut cards are displayed. Next, identify and select the specific card for which you want to see the details. This is typically done by clicking on the card's name or image displayed on your screen. Once you've selected your card, you'll see the option to reveal its details. This might be a button or link labeled Reveal Details. Now, for security purposes, Revolut requires you to re-authenticate your login. This means you'll need to approve an authentication request, possibly by entering your password again or using a two-factor authentication method. This step ensures that it's really you accessing these sensitive details. Once authenticated, your card details, such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV, should be visible. At this point, make sure to either copy this information or note it down in a secure manner, if you absolutely need to. Remember, if you're having trouble viewing these details on your PC, try switching to the Revolut mobile app, where the steps are similar and often more intuitive. Just ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Before we wrap up, let's cover a few quick safety tips. Always make sure you're accessing your account and viewing your card details on a private, secure device. Never share your card information, like the CVV or full number, over email or in any public chat. Finally, don't forget to log out of your account once you're finished to prevent unauthorized access. There you have it, simple steps to view your full card details on Revolut. Stay safe and enjoy managing your finances with ease. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share with others who might benefit. See you in the next video.